During storms, they can turn fierce and destructive, capable of sinking ships and reshaping coastlines. Tsunamis caused by underwater earthquakes are massive waves that can bring devastation to coastal areas. Scientists study waves to understand climate patterns, marine life, and even renewable energy. The energy of the ocean's waves can be harnessed to generate electricity, providing a clean and sustainable power source for the future. Yet, beyond science and power, waves have a deeper meaning. They remind us of life's ups and downs, of the constant motion of time. No matter how strong or gentle, every wave eventually reaches the shore, just as every journey finds its destination. During the day, ocean waves form due to the interaction of wind, gravity, and the Earth's rotation. These waves come in different types and sizes, depending on the weather and underwater conditions. The most common type, created by wind blowing across the water surface. Stronger winds produce larger waves, caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and sun,